I've been out here fishing for a couple hours. Threw the beetle spin for a couple of minutes. Didn't have any luck with any of these lures. The sun came out finally, so they started getting active. And then as soon as they started getting active, that's when I tied on the beetle spin. And look at that, she produced a nice slab. Let's go, boys. Beautiful fish. Very nice. All right, got the hook out of it. Now let's give him a release. Beautiful fish. Look at that, healthy crappie. Healthy crappie. Let's go. There it goes.